Good morning, it is episode number 3 of our T5 Transporter raffle build, and today we are fitting the kitchen in. I'm so excited for this one because this is probably going to be the best kitchen that we've ever fitted in one of our vans. Before I show you the kitchen, I just want to say a massive thank you to QUIBITY for sponsoring our video. QUIBITY are an eSIM company that we use when we go out traveling. You guys can get 15% off their SIM plans with code Mar.Lavender. Go check them out. Links in the description and code is on the screen. Now let's get into the build. It's episode 3 of 4. Next episode, this van is going to be completely done. This episode, we're getting the kitchen in and there's a lot to do.
Yeah, it does not look like that is going to fit, but...
I know, how did we do it before? I don't know.
Apparently it fits.
If you haven't watched the last episodes, go check them out. We've done a lot to this van. It felt like only yesterday this van was like a complete shell, and now kitchen's going in. Next episode is finished. I have to say this is our best van build yet. The cleanest, most professional looking van build that we've ever done. Before we move on to the kitchen, I just want to remind you guys that the van raffle is live, so go get your tickets. They're £5 to enter, and one of you guys could be winning this just in time for summer. We've only sold 15% of tickets, so your odds are unbelievable if you've entered. Go get your tickets now. The link is in the description. Now let's check out this kitchen because it is the best kitchen we've ever fit in one of our vans before. Look at that.
That is clean.
That is clean. Look, just look at the finish on this. We could never get a finish that good, honestly.
There's no like, now we've done this, how are we leveling up the next one?
I know. This is a complete custom kit from Ian at Campervan Stuff Only. We'll link his Facebook down below. He does it in grey or white, our 2 favourite colour schemes. We chose white to brighten it up a little bit. But yeah, it is insane. I can't believe like how much goes into these kits, and they're only like $6.99. I keep forgetting what these are called, but yeah.
I was like, I was looking in as if there was going to be something in there, but...
I'll edit something in. Doorknobs, that's what they're called. These little doorknobs, they sit so flush, so clean.
It's so clean, got like the stop there,
okay,
the hinges.
We need to do a clean counter because we keep saying clean.
It's so cool.
It is a really cool bit of kit. For those of you who aren't really confident in carpentry or anything like that, not that we are, but we give it a try anyway. These are perfect. You can just fit them in directly, screw them in, but he can also fit them for you. So for the purpose of this video, we're gonna fit it, but we probably would have got him to fit it if we weren't doing this.
Definitely.
Has to be the cheapest on the market with all the finishes. You've got your fridge space here, which is cut to the right size. We've got a 45-litre fridge going in there. This kitchen comes pre-built so that you don't have to do any of the putting together, just screw it in. You've got a shelf that goes up there. You've got your window cut out in here. You've got a little shelf up here as well.
This is so cool, the finish.
I know, it is.
On all the cuts.
So professional. You've got a storage space there. And the best thing is, it's all prescribed, and he does them for Ford Transits and VW's transporters as well. But if you don't have a VW or a Transit, then he will keep it like square at the back so you can fit it in yourself. I just can't get over like how cool the storages are. You've got shelves in here. He's even made us a little table as well that we can fit in. And this, the kicker board for a bed space, a rock and roll bed or anything. Like, we've never had something this cool looking in any of our vans. I'm so excited. So you even have a little electrical board here that gets fitted nicely. Oh, this is gonna look so clean. I can't wait to fit this in. So this one is for a long wheelbase, but he also does small wheelbases as well. Other things we're getting in are the gas locker, we're getting the water setup in. We've got this cool bit of kit here. Sink and a hob. We went for the double one this time. It looks so nice. And we have our AOBOSI 45-litre fridge, and there's 2 of them there. We'll explain about the other one later. But yeah, let's just get on with it because I feel like I'm waffling. I always waffle at the beginning of the videos. There's just so much to say, but we'll start getting the cabinets in. So let's go.
Oh, wow. Oh, it's come down. The easiest job we have ever done. Feels like cheating. I know it does, doesn't it? Well, we are, but it's another option.
Yeah, we got it in. We just shuffled it around a little bit to get it exactly where we wanted to. There it is.
That looks so clean.
It does, doesn't it? It really pops against the carpet colour that we got as well. We just have to take out the little bit of wood there for the fridge to go in, and then screw it all in. We've got a bunch of brackets to put on to just hold everything in place. Yeah, they're like a little block, so you just screw it to the cabinet and then screw it to the wall. Simple. And then for any of the bits, for any of the screws that you see, got a little cover there as well. Okay, let's get it screwed in. I'm just gonna sit here admiring it the whole day. So these little brackets that he's given us, that we're screwing in, are so neat. They just fit into here and go into the wall.
It looks so much neater than like an L bracket.
These are honestly such a lifesaver. So neat. Huh? We're just getting a load put in here so you can screw it into the wall. And hopefully, because I'm inside the cupboard, we don't get myself trapped in it. I'm in the cupboard.
How did you get in?
Through this gap. We're just getting the screws in along the back wall here.
Is it a lot easier inside?
Yeah, sort of. Ta-da! And for my next magic trick.
But we're done.
Yeah, no, it's
And that's
sick.
finished.
Oh, this looks so good and it's in very, very solid. So there you have it. We've got the kitchen all screwed in. We haven't put in the electric board yet. That's gonna fit nicely in there. We're gonna put that in the next episode. Now we're gonna move on to an easy win and put the fridge in. We still have some shelves to put in the cupboards, but we'll do that later on. We got the AOBOSI 45 litre fridge going in nicely. It just slides in. It's so easy. I can't believe how much of an easy job we've had today.
We could never go back now.
I know. We're definitely going to have to keep getting these kitchen setups and everything because, I don't know, our wonky cuts are probably not going to cut it anymore. So we've got 2 fridges because one's going in the giveaway van, but one is going home to one of you guys for free. AOBOSI have sent us out 2 fridges, and all you have to do to win this fridge is head over to our Facebook because we're going to be putting all of our raffle content on Facebook now. All you have to do to enter is go follow AOBOSI on Instagram, go follow us on Facebook, and go find the post from the fridge and comment down below tagging a mate. From now on, Facebook is going to be the raffle page. We're going to put all of our giveaways, all of our raffles, and any information about all of the raffle side on Facebook. Let's get this fridge in and let's get this fridge to one of you guys. So let's get, oh cool. The nice thing is this just slides in. Ooh. It slides in nicely, but I seem to be like chonging it everywhere. Oh, there you go.
Fresh.
I might just pull it out a little bit more. Let's open it, see if it's gonna hit. Nice, look at that.
It's too easy.
So we don't have a drawer on here, but you can actually get drawers fitted to your kitchen units. Because we're having a big double hob and sink, we opted for not having a drawer here. But yeah, all you have to do is ask Ian and he'll tell you how much it is, because I actually forgot. So for this big install, all you have to do is pop these off, screw it into the side, and then it's in. That's it. So there you go, install done. It is the AOBOSI 45 litre 12 volt fridge freezer, and you can actually spin this around, the door around the other way, which we might do, don't know yet. But yeah, clean little install, fits into this kitchen unit nicely. Now let's move on to the hob. So we got this double burner hob with sink combination, it says on there, set up here, and it comes with the gas locker and a water kit as well. So we're going to put this in now. Going to see if it fits in.
Wow, so it's like we got to be pretty perfect on this.
Nice. Okay,
I feel like if there's a point when this is going to go wrong, it's going to be cutting this.
yeah, literally Ian did all the hard work doing this, and the one thing that we can't mess up on
The one cut, yeah, we can't.
is the one cut we have to do is this, and we can't mess up. Guys, we almost thought we messed up on this one. So the kitchen, let's turn it over.
Yeah, that was like not a nice feeling.
Ooh, this way. So when we turn this over and we fit it on the side where it's going to sit, look how close it is to the fridge. And then we've got that.
That's the waist there.
And it's millimeters, but it's going to fit. That would have been an expensive mistake.
What?
Sat in the box, putting the sink back together.
Looked comfortable at the time, but it's not very comfortable.
The driveway is looking pretty empty.
It did, it fitted.
Wow, look at that. So we got the sink in over here, got the fridge, the whole kitchen is in.
We still got, what have we got left? Right, we still got a table that we can mount. So we'll do that last episode. The end piece for the rock and roll bed, and then we got...
You just told them.
Oh, did they not know that?
No.
All right, okay.
To be announced later
I
on.
can't swerve it. And then we got these shelves, which we'll do when we do the electrics, but it's just got these brackets. So we should just put it in and screw it onto the wall.
So we've got everything wired, well, not wired in, but run to be wired in for the next episode. Grey water, fresh water, and the gas locker for the gas bottle. But look at that, that is literally all fit in like a glove.
Right, what do you want to do? What do we test first?
Should we test? Yeah, let's do this.
All right, we'll do hob. All right, that's it. Hob.
Looks so funny.
Okay, no.
Nope.
Wait, no, try the tap.
Okay. You're like, try one of them. Hey, look at that. Okay.
All right.
Next one.
So now this should be hob.
Oh, hey, that's working as well. We've got a full house. I'm actually so happy that that's all working. I do have to say, we were just saying it, like this van is better than our van. I really like it.
Yeah, there's a big difference when someone's done it all like professionally cut, trimmed all the edges properly and that, like you can really tell.
It's unreal. It's such a good bit of kit. That's the day done and the kitchen in. I can't get over how great this kitchen looks. So if you guys want a great kitchen like this, go to Camper Van Stuff Only on Facebook. I'll put it in the description and on the screen. There's no way we could have achieved this level of quality. It's gonna be really hard to level up from here. So remember guys, it's a €5 a ticket to win this van. Go in the link in the description to get yours. We've got one more episode and then the van is done. So we'll catch you guys on the last episode. See ya.